This is a wonderful set for a budding artist, a student, somebody who wants to try out all the different things but doesn't know where to start. This will get you started because it includes everything. You don't have to buy it all individually. It has the brushes, it has easels. There's 2 different easels. There's canvases, there's papers. There is a lot in this kit, and it was very reasonably priced. These are marked. These are the oil paints. I have always wanted to try oil paints, but I've never done it because they're really expensive. But I thought, you know, this is an inexpensive set. The company sent it to me and I'll give it a try. This one is the watercolor set. Look at all of those colors you get. That is a lot. And then the acrylic set, you get all of these. This is crazy. All right, let's look at this stack of goodies. So here is a palette. We have an acrylic paper pad, a sketch paper pad, and there are pencils in here, and the sets of pencils I noticed are different, all different kinds, like different hardnesses. So that perfect for sketching. Here is a watercolor paper set, and also an oil paper. And then we have 2 8x10 canvases here. Actually, there's 2 white and 2 black in there. Let me open this up so you can see what's inside. Oh my goodness. So this is a tabletop easel. Very cool. Look at that. And then this folds down, and then you can put your canvas right there, or you could tape your paper up there. But how cool is that? This is really, really nice. And then on the inside of here, I believe that this is on these thin areas, you can store pencils and erasers. You get 2 11x14 canvases. This is a really nice full-size easel that stands on the floor, and it comes in this really nice carry bag with the strap. Awesome. So if you wanted to travel and, you know, take your painting somewhere, or your drawing or sketching, you wanted to go outside, if you want to take it on vacation with you, this would be easy. Last box is loaded with everything that you need. Everything, I'm telling you. This company thought of everything that you would need. Whoops, I'm losing everything. Let's see. That was a pencil sharpener. Ooh, nice. Okay, we also have a white eraser right here. We have a blending stump, and this is a really nice size blending stump. This is for blending pencils. There's the eraser again. This is a color wheel, and this is a nice color wheel. This will help you to mix colors so that you can get the color that you want. This is like a legit color wheel. It's not just printed on paper. Here are the pencils. There are some with hard leads and then some with softer leads. If you learn about sketching and everything, you will understand what the 5B, 6B, 4B, 2H, you'll understand what all of those are for. There's a set of watercolor pencils, oil brushes, and there are 5 different sizes of oil brushes. Watercolor brushes, there's 5 different sizes of watercolor brushes. Acrylic, oh, yeah, more watercolor brushes, 5 more sizes. Those are a little bit bigger than the other ones. This one is oil paint brushes, love that. And then we have acrylic paint brushes. And then this one is also acrylic paint brushes. These are the smaller ones. And then you also get a set of 6 plastic palette knives. These are usually used for oil painting and adding details and lines and mixing colors and things like that. You can also use these with the palette to mix different colors of acrylic paints to make different shades. So this is a really good kit. You can see exactly how it's packaged and see how wonderful it is to give as a gift.